Dynamic Precision has been here since 1963, and we are working in the radio industry, in medical and healthcare, and we are here to bring things to life. We are acting in Herrljunga, and in our factory here we are among 35 people, and this includes our R&D team. And then we have an entity in Poland, where we have roughly 35 people today, working with development and as a business support for us.
My function here is to take care of orders from our customers and see to it that we have them produced and delivered in time.
I have been working here for 14 years now. We bring value to the clients by always answer when they call, or we strive to deliver more than they expect.
We take ideas from our clients, support them with development, pre-series, serial production to get the products out to the end users. By working with us, our clients get a very professional organization, meeting their demands in terms not only for the production, but the quality, the delivery performance, and a bit of understanding of their products and their want-to with the products.